Most people hit snooze at 5 a.m., but the ones who don't, they're the ones who quietly build the life everyone else only dreams about. Because waking up early isn't about torturing yourself. It's about taking control of your mind before the world even wakes up. So here's a 5 a.m. morning routine that will make you truly unstoppable, backed by psychology, biology, and real success habits. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Win the first minute. The hardest part is not waking up. It's staying up. So the second your alarm rings, sit up straight. Don't scroll your phone. Don't overthink. Drink a glass of water immediately. It shocks your system awake. Then walk to the window and get sunlight on your eyes. This tells your brain, the day has begun. Your body starts producing cortisol, not stress, but activation energy. That's your fuel. Use it. Step 2. 5 minutes of stillness before touching your phone or checking messages. Be still. Sit. Breathe deeply. Think of one thing you're grateful for and one thing you'll conquer today. This 5-minute calm rewires your brain for focus. In a noisy world, stillness becomes your superpower. Step 3. Move your body for 20 minutes. No need for a full gym session. Just move. Push-ups, squats, jumping jacks, a short run. The goal is to raise your heart rate and flood your brain with dopamine and endorphins. It's not about fitness, it's about momentum. Because motion creates emotion, and emotion fuels discipline. Step 4. Cold water reset. A quick cold shower might sound insane at 5 a.m., but here's the science. Cold exposure triggers your body's fight-or-flight response. Your brain releases norepinephrine, the wake-up chemical. You'll step out feeling sharper, calmer, and 100% alive. That's not motivation. That's biology. Step 5. Feed your mind, not your phone. For the first hour after waking up, your brain is in alpha state, highly programmable, deeply focused. So don't waste that energy scrolling nonsense. Instead, read 10 pages of a good book. Or listen to a podcast that pushes your thinking forward. You're feeding your subconscious the fuel it needs to grow. Step 6. Set your 3 wins for the day. Forget long to-do lists that drain your energy. Instead, write down 3 clear wins you'll achieve today. 1 for your mind, 1 for your body, 1 for your future. Then commit, no matter what happens, these 3 get done. This simple system keeps you laser-focused and productive. Step 7. Reflect before sunrise. When the world is still quiet, sit back for a moment. Think, who am I becoming? Remind yourself why you started this journey. Because success isn't about speed, it's about direction. At 5 a.m., there are no distractions, no noise, no pressure, just you and your purpose. By 7 a.m., while everyone else is just waking up, you've already won the morning. And whoever wins the morning, wins the day. Remember, discipline isn't about punishment, it's about freedom. The freedom to choose your path instead of reacting to life. Waking up at 5 a.m. won't magically change your life overnight. But if you do it consistently, it will change who you become. Because success isn't built by luck or talent, it's built by habits, repeated every single morning. So tomorrow, when that alarm rings at 5 a.m., don't snooze, don't hesitate. Rise with purpose, move with energy. And remind yourself, you're not chasing motivation, you're building momentum. That's how you become unstoppable.